Have you ever caught your reflection in the mirror and noticed those stubborn dark spots appearing out of nowhere on your hands, face, or chest? If you're over 50, you probably know exactly what I mean. Those age spots that quietly sneak up, making it feel like time is moving a little too fast. You're definitely not alone. Millions of people experience the same frustration every day, staring at their reflection and wondering how to get their youthful glow back. Maybe you've already tried expensive creams, scheduled pricey dermatologist visits, or even started avoiding mirrors altogether. But here's the surprising truth. What if the key to visibly fading those age spots in as little as 20 minutes isn't found in a fancy product, but right in your own kitchen? Imagine two simple, natural ingredients working together to help you reclaim the clear, radiant skin you once had. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, before we uncover this remarkable remedy, I want you to do me one small favor. If you're over 45 and feeling off, whether it's fatigue, joint pain, stubborn weight, or just not feeling like yourself anymore, it's time to stop guessing. If this video brings you value today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to keep sharing more natural and effective health solutions just like this one. Now, let's get into what's really going on with your skin, and more importantly, what you can do about it starting today. Those dark patches appearing on your hands, face, or chest aren't just cosmetic issues. They're actually messages from your skin, signs of years of sun exposure, hormonal shifts, and the natural process of aging. Each little spot tells a story of how your skin has worked tirelessly to shield you from UV damage over the years. But here's what most people overlook. These age spots don't just change how you look. They quietly affect how you feel. Maybe you've started wearing long sleeves even on sunny days. Maybe you hesitate to take photos, or you find yourself comparing your skin to others with that smooth, even tone you used to have. It's frustrating, and it's deeply personal. The problem is, most conventional treatments don't make it any easier. Chemical peels can burn. Laser sessions cost a fortune. Prescription creams often cause irritation and sensitivity that leave your skin worse off than before. And those countless over-the-counter products? They make big promises but rarely deliver real results. Each disappointment chips away at your confidence a little more until you start believing that clear, glowing skin is a thing of the past, or a luxury only the wealthy can afford. And that's exactly how the beauty industry wants it. They thrive on your insecurities, selling complex procedures and chemical-laden products that keep you coming back for more. But here's the truth they don't want you to know. Nature has already provided powerful, gentle ingredients that can help restore your skin's natural radiance. This isn't about giving up or learning to accept those spots. It's about taking back control of how you feel about your skin, using safe, time-tested ingredients trusted by generations. And here's the part that might surprise you. The secret to fading those stubborn age spots isn't locked away in a laboratory or an expensive spa treatment. It's right where you least expect it, in your very own kitchen. Two simple ingredients. Ones you probably walk past in the grocery store every single day, hold the power to completely transform your skin. I'm talking about potatoes and ginger. Yes, the same humble potato you might have had for dinner last night, and the same spicy ginger you toss into your tea. These aren't exotic or expensive superfoods. They're affordable, accessible, and astonishingly effective when used the right way. So, what makes this unlikely duo so extraordinary? And why does it succeed where pricey creams have let you down? Let's start with potatoes. They contain a natural enzyme called catecholase, a remarkable compound that helps balance melanin production in the skin. Melanin is the pigment responsible for the dark color of those age spots. By gently regulating this process, potatoes help fade discoloration naturally, revealing a clearer, more even complexion over time. But there's more. Potatoes are also packed with vitamin C, one of the most powerful nutrients for skin renewal. Vitamin C helps brighten your skin tone, boost collagen, and support your skin's natural healing abilities. Unlike harsh chemical exfoliants that strip away your skin's protective layer and leave it raw or irritated, potatoes act as a gentle natural exfoliant, soothing, nourishing, and rejuvenating your skin with every use. It's simple, safe, and surprisingly effective. Proof that sometimes the most powerful beauty secrets are the ones sitting quietly in your kitchen. Now let's turn our attention to the second hero of this natural remedy, ginger. This humble root is far more powerful than it looks. Ginger is loaded with potent antioxidants that perform something truly remarkable for your skin. They boost blood circulation right where it's needed most. And when your skin's circulation improves, so does the flow of oxygen and nutrients to your cells. The result? Your skin's natural regeneration process speeds up, helping it repair, renew, and glow from within. But that's not all. Ginger also carries strong anti-inflammatory properties, which play a crucial role in fading age spots. Inflammation often makes these dark spots look more noticeable and stubborn. By calming inflammation naturally, ginger helps your skin heal faster, reduces redness, and restores a more even tone, gently yet effectively. Now here's where the magic truly begins. When you combine potato and ginger, they work in perfect harmony. The potato operates on the surface, lightly exfoliating, brightening, and balancing pigmentation, while the ginger works deeper beneath the skin, stimulating circulation and fighting inflammation. Together, they create a synergistic effect that tackles age spots from every angle, brightening the surface, repairing deeper layers, and restoring your skin's youthful vitality. This isn't just an old wives' tale. It's nature's chemistry working in sync with your skin's natural processes. No harsh chemicals, no burning sensations, no overpriced procedures, just pure, gentle, natural effectiveness that respects your skin while delivering visible results. And the best part? You don't need to buy anything fancy. You probably already have everything you need sitting right in your kitchen. So, are you ready to see the difference for yourself? Let's go step by step and learn exactly how to prepare and apply this powerful natural treatment for glowing, spot-free skin. Start by taking one fresh raw potato. Make sure it's clean, firm, and free of any dark spots or blemishes. Using a fine grater, carefully grate the entire potato. As you do, you'll notice a light, translucent juice beginning to flow. That juice is pure liquid gold for your skin. It's packed with those powerful melanin-regulating enzymes we talked about earlier. Next, grab a piece of fresh ginger, roughly the size of your thumb. Gently peel off the outer skin, then grate it finely using the same grater. As soon as you do, you'll be greeted by that warm, spicy aroma, the unmistakable scent of ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds coming to life. Now comes the most important part, combining the two. Mix the grated potato and ginger together in a small bowl until you get a smooth, moist paste. The consistency should be spreadable but not runny. If it feels too dry, add a little of the potato juice you collected. If it turns too watery, simply add a bit more grated potato. The final blend will have an earthy, slightly spicy fragrance, a natural sign that the active compounds are fresh and ready to work their magic. Before applying, make sure your skin is clean and completely dry. You can use this treatment on your hands, face, chest, or any area where you notice age spots or uneven pigmentation. Apply the paste generously to the affected areas. Don't hold back. The more surface contact you create, the more effectively these natural ingredients can do their job. Now, here's where the transformation really begins. Using gentle circular motions, start massaging the mixture into your skin. This step isn't just about applying the paste, it's about activating circulation and helping the nutrients penetrate deep beneath the surface. Think of it as giving your skin a mini workout, a gentle energy boost that wakes up sluggish cells and triggers the natural repair process. The massage should feel soothing and pleasant, never rough or uncomfortable. Use just enough pressure to create motion without irritating the skin. You may notice a slight tingling sensation. That's perfectly normal. It's the ginger stimulating blood flow and signaling that it's beginning to work. Once you've massaged it in thoroughly, it's time to let nature take over and allow this powerful blend to start doing its restorative magic. Leave the treatment on your skin for exactly 20 minutes. Set a timer if needed, because the timing really makes a difference for optimal results. During these 20 minutes, the active compounds in the potato and ginger penetrate deeply, stimulating cellular renewal and gently beginning to fade those stubborn age spots. You may feel a mild warming or tingling sensation. That's the ginger at work, boosting circulation and delivering fresh nutrients to your skin cells. While you wait, take a moment for yourself. Brew a cup of tea, read a few pages of a book, or simply sit quietly and appreciate that you're giving your skin something truly nourishing. This isn't just skincare, it's self-care in its purest form. After 20 minutes, rinse the mixture off with warm water, using gentle circular motions to continue stimulating your skin, even as you remove the paste. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing. Immediately, you'll notice a difference. Your skin will feel refreshed, slightly cool, and revitalized. Even after the first application, many people report a brighter, smoother appearance. The effects are subtle at first, but they're real. And this is just the beginning of your natural transformation. Each application supports your skin's own renewal processes, gradually lightening age spots and improving tone and texture. Unlike harsh chemical treatments that force rapid changes and can cause irritation, this gentle method works with your skin, delivering nutrients and stimulation without stress. For the best results, apply this treatment 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key with natural remedies. While you won't see instant miracles, you will notice steady, lasting improvement over time. Many people begin to see visible changes within the first week, and by the end of the first month, the difference is often dramatic enough that friends and family start asking what you've been doing. This simple, natural ritual is not just about fading age spots. It's about restoring confidence and letting your skin feel healthy, nourished, and radiant again. By the 3rd month of consistent use, you may find yourself looking forward to mirror time instead of avoiding it. And here's the best part. This treatment costs just pennies compared to pricey procedures or prescription creams. One simple potato and a small piece of ginger can provide multiple applications, making this approach not only effective but also incredibly economical. But there's more to this remedy than just fading age spots. The vitamin C in potatoes helps support overall skin health, potentially softening fine lines and improving texture. Meanwhile, the circulation-boosting effects of ginger can give your skin a natural, healthy glow that goes beyond spot reduction. If your age spots are on your hands, this treatment can be especially transformative. Hands often show signs of aging first due to constant sun and environmental exposure, but with consistent natural care, they respond beautifully. For facial age spots, use a lighter touch during application, and be gentle with the massage. The skin on your face is more delicate, but it's also more responsive to natural treatments, and many people notice facial spots fading faster than those on other areas. Before we dive into a few extra tips to maximize your results, I want to ask for a small favor. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your share might be exactly what someone needs to regain confidence and feel proud of their reflection again. Now, let's explore how to take your results to the next level. While the potato and ginger treatment is incredibly effective on its own, a few simple lifestyle adjustments can speed up your progress and help prevent new age spots from appearing. Hydration is key. Your skin needs plenty of moisture to support the cellular renewal this treatment promotes. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider following each session with a gentle, natural moisturizer to lock in the benefits. Sun protection is essential. Even if you're successfully fading existing spots, unprotected sun exposure can create new ones faster than you can treat them. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily, wear protective clothing when possible, and seek shade during peak sun hours. Nutrition matters. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants, think berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables, gives your skin the nutrients it needs for optimal healing and renewal. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's crucial for skin regeneration. Most of your skin's repair work happens while you sleep, so consistent, quality rest will enhance the effects of any treatment. Some people like to enhance the mixture by adding a tiny amount of raw honey. Honey has natural antimicrobial and healing properties that complement the potato and ginger perfectly. If you try this, use only a small amount. Too much can make the paste too sticky to apply smoothly. By combining this natural treatment with these simple lifestyle habits, you'll maximize results, support your skin's natural repair process, and enjoy a clearer, healthier, more radiant complexion over time. Be patient with the process. Natural treatments work with your body's timeline, not against it. Some people notice results quickly, while others may need several weeks of consistent use before changes become visible. Trust the process and stay consistent. Your skin is gradually regenerating and responding to the treatment. If you have sensitive skin, consider doing a small patch test on an inconspicuous area before applying the paste to larger sections. While this potato and ginger combination is generally very gentle, everyone's skin reacts differently, so a little caution goes a long way. If you found today's tips helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest natural health discoveries. We're always researching and testing safe, effective remedies for common health concerns, and your support allows us to keep sharing this valuable information. Also, take a moment to like this video if it helped you today. Remember to take care of yourself, be consistent with your treatment, and most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Natural healing takes time, but it's time well invested in your confidence, your skin, and your overall well-being. Until next time, keep nurturing your skin and embracing nature's gentle power.